And then the prize you've always wanted. You win Bathurst in 1972 when you're 27. Throughout the next 25 years, you hold more pole positions and win more races than any other driver. You win 9 Bathurst and 9 Sandowns. You contribute to 3 Australian touring car championships. It's a career which is bound to remain in the record books.
Out here in second, 6.5, out wide. If I get it right, I can go through here and keep it flat. It's a bit of a worry. Moffat rigs, I'm crazy doing it, but you can. And just try and float it through these corners. It's only 5,000 revs, but the main thing is to give the car a very easy time, and as you can see, you can still go fast.
at the ready, and Peter Rock strikes gold at surface. He picks up around the Australian Touring Car Championship, and the crowd has gone wild with excitement, acknowledging a great drive from Peter Brock. Fantastic drive, well done, Brocky. Charlie, the line has got a problem. There's no number Charlie.